Hi, and welcome back to CloudNets, where networks meet cloud. And today we're going to talk about scaling. And we have our scaled expert.
I scaled out.
Ran. So we're going to talk about scale out, but we're going to talk about how to scale out smartly. And you know, networks today need to scale. They need more and more and more and more capacity. And they also need to introduce new services, much more services, lucrative services, in order to stay competitive, in order to satisfy the needs of us, the hungry subscribers. Ran, how do we do it?
How do we deal with a data tornado?
Yeah.
It's not just data tornado, it's also services tornado. So this is spiking and this is spiking. So 3 points here. First off, you want to increase overall capacity. The model of a disaggregated router or network infrastructure enables you to add more and more boxes onto that same, essentially the same device. The same network element can build itself out with within this class topology of adding more and more sort of speak line cards, and then capacity is increased in terms of port count, in terms of throughput.
So no forklift, just add granular boxes.
No, that beep of the forklift. No, we don't have that. You can carry it.
Cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay.
And even with my back, I can pick it up. Number two is about the services. Services are applied onto the existing infrastructure. Now, when you have a dedicated device which serves only one purpose, then you need multiple devices, and they are poorly utilized. When you can
whenever I want a new service, I need a new device or appliance to be introduced to the network.
Exactly. So once you introduce a new service, you want to introduce it onto your existing infrastructure, and when that service grows, you want to grow it also within that infrastructure. So you don't need, again, that same forklift from before to take something out and to bring something new inbound. Number 3 is, how do you do all of this in a smart, fast, easily orchestrated manner? And this is where DNOR, our DriveNets network orchestrator, comes into play in terms of allocating the right resources for the right service, enabling you an easier way to take that service and launch it onto the network. This is where orchestration of all of these services onto that infrastructure comes into play.
Okay, and I think that when we talk about scaling smart, we talk about scaling, first of all, with lower TCO, because we better utilize the boxes. We don't throw away old boxes. We put multiple instances over the same infrastructure, and we do it in an orchestrated manner. And of course, our ability to introduce new services is much, much faster because you don't need new boxes. You just introduce a new Docker container and put the service in it on the already existing infrastructure. So this is how you scale smart. Don't forget.
Scale like cloud.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Ran. Thank you for watching. See you next time on CloudNets. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.